Hardman, I'm certain. Very hard. خدايا بس. Hello, misters. Unknown person designed this voltage stabilizer because they make difficulties here. Now, how I can install easily this circuit to check? जी हाँ बस किसी करो के कना बस पिन पर मादे उरा लेवर का तीन का क्या तरह लन उरा मा उरा लेवर का या पर दुकान मान या दुकान थी ada video dah बस nomor pulih kali baik lah balik so sana mesti timur nih timur war ko mobile और का timur adanda UPS वाला नंबर पूरी का पटाई को लगा UPS दिखे तो पटाई को लगा नंबर पूरी का ये लगा को UPS को लगा ने यार was pamiz na nimita sis pula wala was na number na to ay number start job na bas zai wo kama Okay, man, just close this. Okay. So why? I am not expert, but a person who said just check if you know about. I just check, and I am not the expert, so I need to install again the doubtful component to not make difficulties for another person. This is the electronics rules. Okay, so first keep the components. I need to install this number. I just check the data npn and internet, and now I need to remove this component again, and I need to install the manufacturer component again. Okay, now I need to just remove the cell phone to show you the situation and why I decide to not repair, because I am not expert of this type of devices. I am also expert. Just check my experience in solar hybrid inverters, and I am also repairing in live stream. Just check my lives. YouTube changed the system, and now I cannot provide a template for my video, but just check. Nearly I repair one inverter. I receive in very bad condition, but just check. I repair this type of inverter and I make a copper tracks, and finally I repair in live stream to, from start to close again, and to run a 400 and 4800 watts on this solar hybrid inverter, because we have I have some schematics, and I have a knowledge for this. Just check, this is the full advanced electronics, and I repair this with a lot of faults. In last I found fault 08 bus voltage is too high, and finally I repair this inverter. You can check my live streams also. And why? Because I not read, and I am not spending my this type of devices unknown person design, and how I can read the voltages, and how I can read this is this the thing. So I need to remove this. And why I said unknown person design? Wait man, I have operand. Sabar. Lag Raza. Layo ka. Okay. So I'm not wasting my time on these devices, because how we can read the data if I connect the strips. So I just check a data for this transistor, and why I remove, because the normal NPN, common NPN transistor emitter, collector and base pin is on one sequence, and they are installed another sequence transistor. Yes, which component, brother, can you show me? The man, just check. I know about this is the neutral. I connect the neutral here, and when I connect the line here, okay, but simply I am receiving the line voltages on this connector, but I am not receiving the voltages, alternative voltages on this connector. Now I know about we have a relay. This is the relay COM pin, okay, and this is normally closed and this is normally open. So if we need to output, so first we need to operate our relay, and after that we can get output voltages. Can you help me? I just replace this NPN transistor S8050, and I again install for another person to I think you are not live. Hi EF, hi राजेश, मैं जब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का काम करता हूँ तो घर वालों को अच्छा नहीं लगता, और घर की इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स चीज़ें मुझसे है अच्छा ठीक है. Veljko Zivkovic, hi brother. Okay, I think the board, yes. Now I don't know about this little board, and I know about just check. I repair this type of inverter. I am also repairing. Just check. I am alone here in my shop also, but now I have a friend. Just check. I repair this type of inverter. We have 9 pulse wide modulations here to generate, and 4 for this full bridge, and some more optocoupler voltages, but I work on this. I can repair this inverter, but I cannot repair this little thing. We have just one M358 dual operational amplifier IC, and some TIP 41C, but I not found a data for this because I don't have the TIPC old electronics in this inverter. We have MOSFETs, IGBTs, and N channel and P channel MOSFETs, everything. Okay, the IC number is LM358 dual operational amplifier IC we have, and I know about I make a robot system for street lights from this IC, but why I am not repairing, because this is not designed for repair. This is just to replace the main board. How we can found the data where the main power supply come, because just check with this length we can repair. The company need to install a long wires to keep the board on the bench to repair and install here again, and they just install connector. How we can push from this side, man? That's it. What, brother? What? سيدة 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 سيدة. Okay, brothers. What your opinion? Yes, I have DC voltages, 14 volts. I check. Let's install the selfie stick to learn. I am also teaching, but here I install a selfie stick. So I am removing now one screw. Okay, remove carefully. Okay, keep here the screws, because I am also removing and installing the screws to attach my selfie stick everywhere. Okay, carefully. That's okay, man. Wow. Okay, let's one we have, but I need to hold the selfie stick well. That's okay. And now I need to remove this last screw. It's done, man. Now I need to install here first. Very cool. Okay, just install on this area. Clockwise. One enough. That's okay. One another. Okay, what about the selfie stick? Okay, now yes, I can attach just one more screw. Okay, how we can just set the screw like this for this situation. Install the screw, wider screw. Okay, and like this. Okay, now we need to set the and hold the selfie stick first. I need to keep this here. First I need to set this. Just for you, man. That's okay. Perfect. Now how I can repair this, Mr. I cannot read your name, because we cannot read the Hindi. Okay, let's repair. How we can repair and how we can know about. Here is the power supplies. I know about the operational amplifier, but here they provide some tags. Okay, volt, positive, volt negative, what K and what M, K forward. What is the meaning here, K man? K and okay, M motor negative, motor positive. What about the K negative and K positive? Again, here we have positive voltages and negative voltages. Again K, again M, again motor positive, again K positive. What is the K here? We have a select button. I think, wow. The electrical devices, but not fully electrical, semi-electrical and semi-electronics. I think I not touch this button because here they tag a select. What select? Turn on or turn off. Right charger first. How I can repair, man. Okay, change this IC. Okay, in this board, if you have DC voltages, okay, your problem solved. You can check output voltages by meter, cranty, low, high voltage, cut board. I do not understand, man. I learned this knowledge in 21 years. I'm talking about the solar hybrid inverters. High frequency inverter. I'm the expert. Also, you can check my live stream. But how they design, not found data. TIP transistor. Now I cannot check what is the TIP. I need to know about the TIP 41C, and we need to know about all the Ohm law, how they operate the relay, on which topology, what the basics rules. So do not repair also the if you have not the knowledge, first you need to have to train you, because I provide 11 hours continue live stream to share all the data with you to how to check with multimeter, IGBTs and MOSFETs and PWM pulse wide modulations. But they install, they're just unknown person design this, so I need to close this. Man, why? I have life, and this is just one piece I received. Okay, and I said, I told already to the person, man, I am not expert of these devices, but they said, man, you need to just check. If you can, you do. If you cannot, not work more. So I am closing again. Install other screw. Why? We need to learn more from this. Why? We need to learn advanced technology like solar hybrid inverters, the world popular advanced technology. And I repair very hard and burn PCBs in one inverter. I cut the PCB, the burn PCB, and I provide a copper tracks, and I repair everything, and I I was share also in shorts. So you can repair your city. Yes, this is the servo stabilizer. Yes, low high voltages cut board. This is a servo stabilizer. Yes, man. Your city, man. I am from Asia, and I think you are from India. You can repair. Man, I can repair, but I have no more time for this device because I need to repair the solar hybrid inverters. Today one inverter I repair in live stream. I just remove the top core and remove the PCB, and I check the with the help of continuity diode mode. I am talking about this continuity, and finally I found the short microcontroller. I remove, replace and turn on again the inverter, but this is not the good engineer designed this. Why I'm saying that? How we can push this to remove? Okay, just check to press the selection button. In some products we have. Okay, what about not turning on? Oh, I think the wow, the feedback, they are receiving the feedback, I think. Just check. No, man, no more. It's okay. Provide feedback. They are sensing feedback, I think. Okay, I need to let create this servo stabilizer little mad to know about little with mechanism. I think I remember later when I was a child, I play with this, but 16 years ago, and now I not remember. But just check. Okay, set this manually later here. Now I am providing the voltages with the 1000-watt halogen bulb. Okay, so any short circuit. Oh, it's mean not work. Okay, provide. Then why? They are set to the relay is operating, man. No, the relay not. What? Okay, what about the bypass? Okay, this is the bypass mode. If I set this on bypass, okay, no any pressure, and I save regulated. Now the relay. Okay, what about this? What about this TIP? Or see, I can read little data. This. The relay is not operating to provide the voltages. Okay, I need to play my this live stream to read the comments. Okay. Okay, man, just help me more. Your country. Okay, little comment. Mr. I cannot read your username because you write your username in Hindi, and Hindi is very difficult to read. Very difficult. I appreciate. Thank you for your sweet comment. I am also repair on grid inverters. Okay, your country. I am from Pakistan. How much input voltages? I am providing here 230. Okay, now I provide 220 and the motor is set. So this is the mean the motor mechanism is okay, but the relay operating system is fail because we have enough voltages on this, but the relay is not operating, and I have a voltages on base and emitter pin, but on the collector pin I have not the voltages to operate the relay. Now the display is not working, so I think wow, found something. Fortunately, just check. I think they provide a feedback or select the button to operate. Just check here. I look some components. The resistor, burn, and now how we can find the data of this burn resistors, man? And F we not found, and we cannot repair, so we can provide here a power supply. Here I have 35 volt 470 UF, and here I have another power supply. I think you have the knowledge about this power supplies to provide a power supplies here. I think this is the input connector. I need to open this circuit. I think we have issue in this. The person is my friend, okay, but we need to follow the rules. Okay, unknown person design this because they not provide a data. If I forget this strip, so I need to mark on one. No, remove, and how much input voltage is, check this. This is only meter. We have a select button, man, in this, not just voltmeter. Why I'm removing? Because we need to first select. So this is requirement to provide feedback to operate the relay, because the transistor is okay and we are not receiving feedback. So I am removing this to first repair the display, okay, and after that we can get the output voltages, and it's good to repair the display, not bad. Okay, we can remove this complete panel to push this hooks. Okay, one, another, we just push. Okay, it's okay. Just check the data. Anyone have the data of this resistors? We have not the data. We need to check. I install the microcontroller here. This is the bridge rectifier. So they operate this circuit directly with these components. Hello? Sir? जी sir. لا زنش ما غسته جي نا جي نا زنش ما غسته पता न लगी ما तो पता नहीं जी इसे आली भाई सो okay. remove this PCB. This is the reverse engineering. I repair one advanced BMS of lithium batteries and reverse engineering. Show proper board meter. Okay, I am showing you. First I need to just remove this one screw. Okay, I can. We have no any more screws. What about? Oh man. Unknown person. Unknown persons also. Okay, we have the select button to first select the 50 Hz or so. Now we have burn resistors. Okay, just check. And I think this resistor is connected with input voltages or output voltages. Okay, I am waiting for your tip, and until I need to do my reverse engineering. Okay, what about the continuity? Okay, here install one wire and here install one wire, I think. Okay, I need to read the bridge rectifier to pound the bridge rectifier AC voltages pins. No connected, not connected. They first provide, I think, the resistor first. Okay. No any continuity or this. Okay, keep a paper piece to not scratch. Okay, what about the bridge rectifier? Check the continuity. I can check the bridge diode. Okay, positive keep on negative and negative keep on positive. Okay, we have a short circuit here. First we need to have here, I think, a 600 0.665. I am also receiving for true continuities. Okay, 220 kilo ohm 1 watt, which this man 220 kilo ohm cannot burn this electricity 230 volt like this. I not receive in my life a 220 kilo ohm, and we cannot run this type of consumption with 220 kilo ohm. I'm not agree with you. We have here short circuit. First I need to remove the bridge rectifier. Okay, let us sit here to work on this and reverse engineering. Okay, why not use our soldering expertise? Just use, man. Provide here solder first to these two pins. Okay, set your soldering station on 400. Okay, to provide enough heat here. It's okay. And what about the data? Okay, I need to keep on the same direction. Okay, first I need to remove with easy method like this. Okay, we have data on the board. Okay, the board design a qualified person because they provide symbols. Okay, what about, again we have short circuit without bridge. Okay, how we can check the bridge? Okay, check with another polarity. No, any. Okay, how we can check one by one diode? Just check the bridge rectifier. We need to have two continuities with one pin and two continuities with another true continuity. Okay, so what about the pins? First you need to know about. Okay, here I have a negative, I need to keep here positive and check with this. Okay, we have one continuity. What about another? Okay, this continuity is to now keep the negative on the bridge positive and check this another two diodes. We have four diodes in every bridge rectifier. So one I check, and after one I lost the data, so I need to read again. Why not connect here to read easily? Okay, just connect the one pin. If you are working on reverse engineering but not connected successfully, need to have a big PCB, or I need to keep, but if we disappear this, what about that? So I need to attach this bridge rectifier with this big copper to read the data, and I need to attach one pin just here. It's okay. Now hold bridge rectifier and attach here first one pin. That's okay. Set little. Okay, little separate from this line. That's done. Now we can check easily the component without any risk because we have a soldered component. Okay, how we can check the bridge rectifier? Let's okay, I'm telling you about the bridge rectifier pins. Okay, here we have a positive pin. We need to keep the multimeter negative on this to check the diode continuity. We have a true continuity of diode, and we need to have with this pin, we have true continuity. After that, we have here a negative. So we need to keep the positive probe on this negative, and we need to have another two continuities of two diodes. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Okay, what about the reverse? For reverse, we have here a positive, and I keep here a positive, and no any continuity we need to have for this. Okay, and here we have negative. Keep the negative, you don't need to have any continuity. This bridge rectifier is completely okay. Okay, and now I need to decide. Okay, where is the circuit? Here. Okay, I need to read some comment. Both 220 kilo ohm 1 watt and 2.100K series. Man, this this resistor. Okay, I need to read more comments. Eduardo, move the camera. Okay, we are we are man. The one thing is that I'm just wasting my time. Where is the 220? First, I need to search. I think this is the 220 line or not. This resistor is connected here. Very funny. I think this is connected here and connected with bridge input and another weird man. Another, I think, oh, they connect another pin with this capacitor. This pin, I think, you need to keep a multimeter here to check. No, any continuity we have. This side. Oh man. Electricity come with non-polarized capacitor to operate the board. What the engineering, man? I'm not responsible to repair this. This is not the rules of electricity to provide the operating power with little cost. Okay, first I need to provide a bridge rectifier to be free. No need for more learning deeply in reverse engineering, because we have life and we need to have work. We need to work on reverse engineering, but don't waste your time. You have already expertise in your field, so just operate your field and do reverse. Read the reverse engineering, but not waste your time, because the world is completely changed to provide a power supply with non-polarized capacitors and some ohm resistors. They are just kidding. This is not the rules to play with electricity. Okay, I solder and I focus on marks. Okay, positive I install, negative that AC. Free. Just close and do your expertise, man. You're a solar hybrid inverter expert. I'm just wasting my time, and I think the men who are watching, but the man is my friend. So I just check for you, man, Mr. Izhar. Mr. Izhar Khan, I just check for you, and I have a live proof for you. I checked, and otherwise I'm not responsible to repair, because you need to have knowledge. Yesterday I not found a data for Onkyo 905D. What the required voltage is to operate the circuit, because I received a Onkyo 905 sound H-bridge sound amplifier to enjoy the true frequency of music, like 50 hertz and 60 hertz and 40 hertz. Okay, and now I keep the name for my channel electronics bench. Okay, so persons who are just watching the electronics bench, they can watch just like stuff. Okay, and I'm providing a 1080p video also in live stream. Yes, you have it resistance. This is the cheapest cheap board. Yes, man. The cheap people are also designing this cheap type of board. The first electronics and electrical rules, they install iron core transformer to step down the voltages. I have a stack company uh, servo stabilizer. We have stack. Stack was the Japanese company who are working on servo voltage stabilizer, but with transformers, not with resistors. They are just creating the beauty and provide here a beauties to sell out to the components and products. And this is the designing and this is the engineering of this type of people. I'm a little confused. Where is the authorities in these countries to stop this man? You are not able to sell. Why? How you design? In which engineering you provide a power to operate the circuit? Man. Okay. Now, I have just one option. 3 screws per one side and 3 screws per another side to close. And just wait for my next live stream. Who watched this video? Just check. I need to repair grow at SPF 5000 TL. This is the next repairing because today I changed the channel name electronics bench and I need to join the live stream again when I am repairing this inverter. Okay. But just you enjoy the electronics bench today, man. A person who are working. But fortunately, I received this servo voltage stabilizer and the time to open. So I just come now to show my bench and how you can work. I can repair the hybrid inverter on this bench, but I cannot repair this semi-electronics and semi-electrical devices. And how I set the fins, why I read the data, provide with this. If you have a meter and collector difficulties, you can create like this. But first you need to read the data of 2 transistors. Okay, need to close this. Turn off this light to not disturb the viewers because we have reflection in this. keep your bench clean, and you can easily move the product or device. Set little. It's okay. It's okay. One more. Just also like this, not mounting. Okay. And I need to bind with zip tie because they need to repair first, and the repair person also have a cutter first to repair this. After now cut this extra. That's okay. Sorry to bore you, but today I just changed the channel name. Why I changed the channel name? Because the first was live and water repairing. I not receive feedback. Second, again, soldering, desoldering ideas. But I'm just think about if I have a difficult soldering in water, so I can share my knowledge, and otherwise I cannot share my knowledge. So now this is the electronics bench, and I can repair anything, everything if I have a data about first. Okay. Our electrical devices like a torch and cloth pressing iron, and how to make a DC to DC step down converter, and how to design a DC to DC step up or boost converters. I'm the expert. And the next projects we are sharing with you, just check my this jewelry. This is my jewelry. This is my jewelry. Big home, big car, big jewelry. No man, I not wanted this. Big soldering iron, a lot of data, and every type of electronics components and integrated circuits. Little about my jewelry. Wow man. Today a new guest come with this jewelry. There's another. This is the guest, but they need to stay here for always to make a part of this jewelry. This is the jewelry. And another thing we have unique tips also. It's okay. Oh man, I need to little share more data. I am working now on this advanced BMSs. One, I repair in reverse engineering, and I need to work on this because this is the expensive device, and I am also repairing, so I need to more work on this to learn more about. In previous live stream in reverse engineering, I know about first of all what thing we need to have. So I found a data to have here. First, when I turn on the button, we need to have here a single pulse, and after single pulse we need to have the true continuity here. Okay, no any short circuit component, If we found, we need to remove. Like previous, I found this voltage regulator 1117, okay, and I remove and I install all the ICs, and finally I repair the battery, and I save approximately how much per user, how much US dollar I save to work on these devices. I am calculating. Here I have no calculators. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry. Sorry, I disturb you, but I just accidentally touched the selfie stick. I'm very sorry. Show me your control board. This is a Chinese product. Yes, this is a Chinese product. Okay, little I need to read the comment. Your bench board. Okay. Just check. This is the tablet. First of all, the important thing, if you are working on advanced electronics, you need to have this mechanism, okay? This mechanism I can set here on this, okay? Just check. And I can set this when I press and rotate, okay? And after that, here I am also keeping here the cotton swabs to easily get to clean the PCB, okay? And here, this is the toothpick bottle, but I am keeping cotton swab because we have a number of cotton swab, so I am also keeping here. And here I am keeping the toothpicks, okay? And here I am attaching this clamp meter like this. Now I attach a charger wire for this live stream, but I can get this easily. No, when I am using from 4 years. Okay, and after that, I have a connectors of battery type. I can install a crocodile clamp for repairing like this. Okay, and after that, I can install a car connectors like car connectors. I need to show you. And this is my inverter. But you can understand, we can install a ring type connector, and after that we can install another type of connector. And I have the small batteries to just check the 12 volt system. And if I am running, when I am running the load on inverter, I am connecting this 100 amps and 12 volts, 1200 watts, one with this, another with this. And when I am repairing the 48 volts, for 48 volts I have a lithium batteries also. I am running on this, and just check the complete bench. Okay, now I work, and when I need to set the everything like this, okay. And this is my components box. I keep it here, okay. Some assembly components, and here I keep two soldering stations, one hot air gun on my right hand, okay. And I can use easily the soldering, and I convert the T12 soldering holder to C245 easily. No any metal we have, just check the method. No any metal we have to worry about. Our tip is touching with metal. If we are touching, and this is the shrinking tube I provide, and just check with closed eyes. You can keep your soldering station with closed eyes, because no any metal we have there to touch the tip and damage the tip, okay. And this is the mix screw box, and this is the analog meter. I am not using the analog meter, so I have the negative proper this, but the wire is cheap, so again and again broken, again and again broken. And here I have other side a pure silicon. I think this is the 18 AWG or 16 AWG, and just check the flexibility to provide a voltages to solar hybrid inverter. Just check the flexibility. All this thing is isolated. Okay, I have a call. Hello? Saida, Saida, take the Saida. Sanga? Ha, Saida, take the Saida, take the. Okay. So, what about friends? What about you? Anyone have question? 16 people are watching my video, and not providing a feedback, man. Okay, just close this live stream. See you next time with next topic.